Did someone say cookie? Christmas cookie! Yum! Well, today I'm gonna be making a different kind of Christmas cookie. I'm making ramen cookies. Peanut butter chocolate ramen cookies. This video is in collaboration with Gale's Southern Living and Blackberry Rock Homestead. They are using a hashtag Christmas Cookies 21. And a lot of people are making videos about Christmas cookies with that hashtag. Well, I'm gonna make a cookie starting now. Grab a pot. 1 cup of peanut butter. 1 cup of chocolate chips. Start melting it. Now you need a pack of ramen noodles, soy sauce flavor. Just kidding, you could use any flavor. We're throwing away the packet. Bye-bye. I'm crushing that bag and putting it in a bowl. I just love the chocolate peanut butter combination. Yum. When melted, add ramen noodles and coat evenly. Take a cookie sheet and cover it in wax paper. I'm using Reynolds Wrap non-stick aluminum foil. I just love the stuff. You're gonna take a heaping tablespoon of the mix and you're gonna drop it into little droplets right onto that pan. Now you place them in the refrigerator to set. All done, they look tasty. Let's give it a try. I love the crunch. And the peanut butter chocolate is really good. What a fun cookie. I dig it. To see more cookie recipes, check hashtag Christmas Cookies 21. And you know what? This is an open collaboration, so you can join in on the fun too. What did Rudolph ask for Christmas? A pony sleigh station.